Shall we start with workbook exercises then? So, the workbook which you are going to have for class 9 is words and expressions. Is the thing clear to you children, or it is looking reverse? Words and expression. This is the workbook which you are going to use. And what you are going to do with this workbook? You have many units over there. You have to complete all the units, and you can see the task which is given inside the workbook. It is something related to the text. If, for example, you can take, if you are going to see unit 1 is related to prose lesson 1. It goes the same. Unit 2, you can find things are related to prose lesson 2. And what I want you to do is, weekly one class we will be doing with this workbook. And from this session, make it compulsory. Whatever work I give you in the workbook, you are supposed to complete it. You have to take a photo of it. Then you have to post that to my personal number, not in the group. 9th students, you are going to complete the exercise which is given for you in the workbook. You are going to take a photo of it. Then you have to post it to my personal number. You have to WhatsApp to my personal number. Weekly once this should be done. Get things fixed in your mind. Don't come out with any excuses. It is something compulsory, the workbook which we are going to do. See, have a glance of this workbook. This is the workbook for 9th standard named as Words and Expressions. We are going to deal with this workbook. Shall we get into the session now? To start, here, this is the workbook. Since when I showed it in the video, you could find things are reversed. Here you could get the name of the workbook, Words and Expressions. First thing, cover your workbook. Then you can start doing the work. Cover your workbook, write your name, keep it safe. Probably when the school opens, we teachers will check what are the works you are doing and what you have done. Get ready with all your works. Words and Expressions, an important workbook. Handle it with care. Don't scribble. Don't write it for granted. Write it neatly when you do things in your workbook. You can even jot down points over there. First point, when you open the workbook, first point, make a note of it with your pencil. Be regular in completing the exercises. Take a photo and send it to my WhatsApp number after completing our exercise. Third, write legibly and neatly. No scribbling. Use dictionary whenever it is needed. Use your textbook whenever it is needed. These are the things which you are going to follow. When you do the task from the workbook, these are the things you have to follow. I have told you about 4 important points. Be regular in completion of the work. Take a photo and send it to my WhatsApp number. Third, what is the third thing? Write neatly, don't scribble. Write with a pencil. Fourth, have your dictionary or have your textbook with you. Will you follow all the instruction which is given by the teacher when you are going to use the workbook? You have to do the same. Let us go with the exercise now. So, this workbook has 11 units, and now we are going to see the first unit. First unit in page number 7. We are not going to start with the first page. We are going to start with page 7. What you can see there in page 7? Page 7 has something to do with your vocabulary skill. Go back to the chapter, the fun they had given in your textbook, Beehive, and identify words that mean the following. So, which lesson you are going to refer? You should have your workbook in hand. On the other hand, you should have your textbook in hand. Side by side, you should make a cross reference of it. Only then you can come out with the answers. So here, even the paragraph number is stated for you. This word sadly, it is being taken from para 3. Unfamiliar, it is taken from para 7. Quite likely, it is taken from para 8. And next question is taken from para 9. Whereas the last question is taken from para 10. You should have your textbook in hand. Sit in a straight posture, or you can sit in your reading table, have your textbook, have your workbook, and get the answer for all these questions. Will you do it, children? Next. When we advance into the next slide, here you could see, find the odd one out. This is simply like an energizer for you, children. Shall we do the exercise now? Or will you do it by yourself? At least 2 or 3 questions, shall we do it? Okay, come on, join with me. Here, there are some words. Pleasure, misery, happiness, delight. And we all know that pleasure, happiness, delight, it expresses the same feeling. What is the word which is not fixing to the context? Yes, it is misery. Come to the next statement. Note, diary, book, copy. Whereas note, diary, book, things are same. Copy, we take a printout through a printer. So this is different. Here, what is the word you are going to note down? Misery. Here, it is copy. Will you do it for other things then? After completing this exercise, will you post it to my personal number, WhatsApp number? Do it, children. Why I am showing this in the video is, you will get a clear picture of what are the exercises you have to do. Once you get a clear picture of the exercises which you are going to concentrate, you can do it and you are ready to do it. That is the reason why I am showing this in screen over here. Because there are some people who always says that, Ma'am, we don't know which exercise, ma'am, and we don't know it is in which page number, ma'am. Now there is no space for all this kind of questions, no? This is the exercise you have to do in page number 7. Next, this exercise in page number 8 you have to complete. 2 exercises, and third, one more exercise which I am going to give you is reading comprehension. Reading comprehension, first text. First text, it is something regarding future cars and self-driving cars. See, if we are going to have a car and that is self-driven, robotic cars, how happy you will be. When you read the paragraph, you are going to get such thing that is going to happen in your life. Things are going to happen in reality. Self-driven cars, you don't need a driver. You don't want to take anyone with you if you feel like traveling in a car. It is a robotic car which can self-drive by itself. So this is the interesting paragraph which you are going to read. And what you are going to do is, after reading this paragraph, you are going to write the answers for it. This is the first reading comprehension in the workbook, the future cars. See, don't misunderstand me, children. I am not going to read anything over here. I am just showing this on the screen so that you will get a clear understanding of what you are going to read now, which comprehension you are going to read now. It is made clear for you. Text 1, reading comprehension 1. Next, drones and flying cars. Whereas you can see this passage is followed. And at the end you can see the reading comprehension gets over with the passage like this. Okay. Read the paragraph. Write down the answer. I have shown you only one question as sample. But how many questions are there? In the workbook, how many questions are there? Yes, if I am right, you have 7 questions there in your workbook. Am I right, children? Okay. Now tell me, what are the exercises you are going to complete today? Reading comprehension. Find the odd one out. Vocabulary. Vocabulary in page 7. Find the odd one out in page 8. And this reading comprehension is the starting exercise of your textbook. I have given you in a reverse order because when you start reading this reading comprehension, you may find it difficult. That is why I have given you easiest exercise at the first, then I have pushed this reading comprehension as the last exercise. Will you read it, children? You have to read it, you have to write the answers, then you have to post the answers. Read the reading comprehension. It goes for 7 questions. Write the answers, then take a photo of it and post it to my WhatsApp number. To end up today's session, we have come to the end, whereas the last slide is going to insist you that you have to do the work. It is compulsory. You have to do the work. Complete the exercises in page number 8, in page number 7 on the reading comprehension. First reading comprehension which is given for you. Will you complete the exercise, children? You have to complete the exercise. And thereby, after the completion of exercise, I will be waiting for your answers. I will be expecting your answers. Do the same and be responsible that you are in 9th standard. Next year you will be in 10th standard. Whereas you have to be independent and you have to be responsible in nature. Start doing works on your own. Don't always expect your parents to say that you have to sit and do your work. See, you might have your younger brother or sister at home where you should be a role model for them. Don't be a wrong role model to the younger sisters or brothers. Be a right role model for them, a correct role model for them, where by seeing you, they should get the interest of doing their work. Complete the exercise in time and post it to my WhatsApp number. Do it, children. Thank you. See you in the next session.